Hello, everyone.
Yo, what's up, guys? Can you see me?
Yes, I think
Dark.
they can. So right now we are on our way to Target. We are just trying to enjoy the day because it is Labor Day weekend, and you know, we have a little bit of time together before I have to go back to work. So we're just gonna like enjoy the day a little bit.
Oh my God, last week, guys, was so busy.
It was a crazy
We
week.
barely even saw each other.
Yeah, we didn't. I saw him like maybe 2 days out of the whole entire week. It was crazy.
If you're curious about what I was doing during the week, go check out my Instagram. I got a little sneak peek.
We are now having breakfast. Well, I had a croissant and also an iced latte. And Judd had...
Bacon, egg,
Look at this ant. Okay.
Nice attention span, babe.
Sorry.
Had a bacon, egg, and cheese on a cinnamon raisin bagel.
With an iced latte.
Nice latte.
Yes. Also, I want to show you guys this thing. This is beef jerky.
Random.
It's extremely random. Shout out to Stephanie, my friend, who gave me this. I visited her yesterday. And beef jerky. Oh, there goes the ant. Oh, look at that. What are you doing up there, guy?
It's not an ant, babe.
What is it?
It's a fly. It has
Oh,
wings.
it does have wings. But it has like a bulb like an ant. Interesting. Oh, yep, it's a fly. Oh yeah, so Stephanie gave me this beef jerky. And you know, when I first think of beef jerky, I think of like Slim Jims. And so when she gave this to me, I was a little skeptical. But I had it, I tried it, and it is delicious. It's called Righteous Fellows, and I'm not being paid to promote this at all, but it was really
Not
good.
a sponsor.
Yeah, it's marinated in like Victory beer, and it is really, really good. But then it got me thinking, it's like, that's so weird that like beef jerky is a snack. Like, Americans eat meat as a snack.
Meat, man.
Like, only Americans would do that. Like, you have other places, they eat like rice cakes or, you know, little things like that. No, we eat meat as a snack. It's just normal. But it's really good. So
it is good.
I highly recommend it.
I got a co-sign on that. It is good. I tried some.
Right?
Thanks, Steph.
Yeah, so it's Victorious B.I.G. it's called, beef jerky. So you have to go try it out. It's really good. So now we're on our way to Target. Probably gonna get some Pokemon cards.
Pokemon.
Pick up a couple of groceries for the week.
Oh, guys, speaking of groceries, you know how busy we were, right? So we couldn't work out.
Oh my goodness.
Shame on us.
Guys, to the person that said this is gonna be a 2-week thing, you were wrong. It was a 1-week thing.
Right?
It sucks that you had so much hope in us. I'm just kidding.
Too much faith. Way too much faith.
But yeah, we were really busy this week, so
We're getting back on the horse.
but I will say though, guys, even though I did not work out this week, I lost 2 pounds. I don't know how it happened.
We got that metabolism started.
Yeah, we gotta kickstart it. Yeah. So yeah, I lost 2 pounds. Shout out to me. Judd, how much weight did you gain this week?
I don't know, man.
You probably lost.
I'm just worried about the muscle.
Oh, okay. Oh my God.
It's National Target Day or something.
It's freaking crazy. The parking lot never looks like this in Target. Like when we come here, it's always open and free. This is cray cray. Ignore the bird poop on the window. Gross.
Alright, so Ari gets this cart for her clothing, bag, all that stuff. But does she push it? No, she does not. She leaves it to her boyfriend.
That's right. Ladies, make your men do this. You shouldn't have to push a cart. You'll push a baby stroller in a couple of years.
Oh, I hope you remember that in a couple of years. Alright guys, so you seen it here first. Ari's claiming the stroller in a couple years. Whenever that may be.
No.
Guys, don't get a girlfriend. It's a trap. It's a trap. Don't do it.
Anyway, how do you like this skirt?
College checklist.
I am so happy we're past that point of our lives.
Yeah, right? All taken out. No
Shout out
more.
to this area for all the people going to college.
Yeah, right? That's a good indication.
Good, right?
I actually really like Target and their, what is it, Room Essentials or whatever?
Yeah.
That's the brand. They have a bunch of college stuff. This is where I used to deck out my dorm room with. It's actually good stuff. Are you guys interested in back to school videos? Let me know. I can make that happen. I'm kind of that guy. You're weird.
I am. So guys, the other day I was at a meeting at work, and this woman had like this bottle that said SodaStream on it, and I asked her what was SodaStream, and she acted like I was an alien. She was like, "What? You know what that is? How do you not have one in your house?"
I've never heard of it.
I know, and it's so. This is it right here, and apparently it's the norm in every household. Like this other woman who overheard me, she was like, "You don't have one? I have one too."
What is it? This you
Like,
just
you can
make
make
soda?
your own soda, but like this woman uses it to make her own like seltzer water. So like she's like she has one, and she said it's amazing, and that I should get one, and that everyone has one in their household.
I feel like this is very dangerous.
Let us know. Do you have one in your household?
A soda stream.
Yeah.
Like I said, I feel like this is very dangerous. Oh, I'm just gonna make some root beer every day. Like that's not cool.
Yeah. I mean, it probably has more health value than like
Health value?
or whatever, but
I mean,
don't think it's still soda.
Maybe this V8 Splash and whatnot.
Let's look at the specs. Sugar. Let's look at the root beer. Let's look at the cola. Okay. So for 1 cup, 8 fluid ounces. Oh my God, 0 calories.
How?
I don't know. 0 sugars.
Seriously?
Yeah.
We are on the brink of something extraordinary, guys.
This means you don't have to have water every night. Wait, okay. Before we buy this, someone give us the pros and cons.
Somebody's gonna let you know. Give you the
Someone's gonna give me
rundown.
like 5 paragraphs. We'll do it. What are the pros and cons of this? Should I buy it? Should I not buy it? Let me know. Will it aid me in my weight loss? Doubt it.
I say no.
Yeah. It's probably one of those things like, you know when you get those like Jasani drops, you drop them in your water.
Yeah.
And it has no added value. Like.
Just kind of changes the taste a little bit.
Yeah, maybe it's something like that. So I've never heard of it. Happy to see it.
I don't know. I say we stay away. Aries got her eye on me. I'm trying to escape, but she won't let me out of her sight. Are you happy? I'm right here. I'm out. Don't tell her. Man, just trying to make my escape.
Well, if you're gonna make an escape, you better take this cart with you.
No. So this game Bounce Off is pretty much like training your child to be good at beer pong by the time they get to college. Look at this.
I mean, they could potentially make a lot of money.
That is passing on some good lessons.
But yeah, so right now we're looking for a good, I'm looking for a really good board game. I love board games. I think they're so much fun. You know,
Does
like,
she?
Tech
My
is
God.
great and everything, and it's great to be connected to social media all the time. But like, sometimes it's good to have quality time playing a board game. There's something that's like stimulating that's not digital.
I don't know why.
That was dramatic.
She says, okay, let's pull out life. It's like, oh.
I love the game of life. It's
She pulls out these,
amazing.
she wants to play these games randomly, especially when Anna's around. We have to stop. You guys saw the vlog where we were playing, what game was it?
Scrabble?
Scrabble. It was fun though, we had fun. I'll leave a link down below to that vlog, you guys check that out. It was actually funny, she's quite the cheater. So playing these games is not only
I am
time,
not a cheater. Can I tell you?
it's not only time consuming,
Oh my God.
but she cheats and complains and
Let me
talks
just say something.
trash.
Let me just say something.
She's a terrible person to play with.
Let me say something. When people have a hard time recognizing greatness, they call it cheating.
And there,
Like,
and there you
that's
go
the
with the
problem.
trash talk. There you
That's
go.
the problem. Like, I murder them in every game.
What
and they can't
was
deal.
happening in that game? You got so upset.
I did not get upset.
You got so
That isn't not
upset.
true.
It's
Guys,
terrible.
I'm a winner in
You
life,
watched the video.
and these people, they just don't know how to act when I win. They just get so jealous of constantly losing. But I just say, step your game up, train, and come back. I'll give you another chance to beat me.
She's the type of girl who, if you're playing a card game, she'll get mad, stop, and force everybody to play a 52 pickup. Alright guys, so I just got the coolest idea. We should buy some Nerf guns. I think that'll be awesome. Our house is a bit of a mess right now. I'm going to clean it up so we could just run around the house shooting each other with these.
You have all the like bullets, well, quote unquote bullets in here.
Oh, yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
what is this though? Like that would
Oh,
hurt.
those are exploding ammo? Not in my house.
No way.
No, I think I'll stick with the suction cup things. But yeah, guys, you see, me as a kid, I was never allowed to have any kind of Nerf gun.
Really?
No. My parents didn't want me playing with guns. I don't mind that. I don't mind that as a kid, not getting used to guns and stuff like that.
Did you never own a Nerf gun then?
Never. Never. So,
Oh my
Now that I'm old enough, and I'm okay, man. I'm not some traumatized child.
I just remember all the fun I had with like guns and.
No,
my
I never
God.
owned any guns whatsoever. So I'm gonna be picking one of these up. I probably won't even get a gun. I'll probably get one of these bows or something, cause
Okay, those bows look kind of sick.
yeah, they've got a couple of them here. This looks pretty awesome too.
I can fight Katniss.
Katniss. So I think that's a pretty awesome idea. What do you think?
Yeah, let's do it.
And then
We have to get the refills then too. Because like the ones that we're looking at
they've
come with,
got
like,
them right there.
Yeah.
So maybe we'll vlog that sometime too. Just us just blasting each other with Nerf
We need to
bullets
get
and
one of those little
whatnot.
cameras that attach to us so you can see it in action.
GoPros or
Yeah,
something,
we
right?
get
Alright guys, after much debate, we can't find, bless you, we can't really find any of these Nerf guns that we like. That isn't an extreme amount of money. Like, this thing right here is $46. Why? I mean, I get it, it's a big gun and whatnot, but it's a lot of money. And just for kicks and, like, you know, kicks and giggles, we don't want to spend that much money.
Jed's also being an elitist. He doesn't want the BuzzBee brand, he wants the Nerf brand.
Well, if I'm gonna do it right, I'm gonna do it right. You know, what's Cougar? Where's your commercial? No, I'm just joking. But nah, I do want to get a Nerf though. But these Nerf things are crazy. They're real expensive. I like this bow, like I said before, but it only shoots like these 3 giant foams. Like, that sucks. Can't have a war with three. Wow. Okay. This is what my girlfriend does with people around. She doesn't care.
This is like the WWE Elite collection. Alright, look. Okay.
Get out of here, man. Beat it. And guess what, guys? We went to Target for Pokemon cards and groceries, and we left Target without both of them.
Yeah. At the checkout, I was like, oh wait, we didn't even get groceries.
Or Pokemon,
Pokemon cards.
We ended up getting some clothes for Ari. And
A sweater for Ari.
Okay. Oh, you only got one?
Yeah, I put the other 2 back. $30 for a cardigan? No, thank you.
Well, a sweater and some board games, and I got a charge and play kit for the Xbox One.
Yeah. We got toys. Grown women and men. A grown woman and a grown man went and got toys.
Sort of, yeah.
Yeah, it said 7 and older. Life said 8 and over, and Battleship said 7 and over. So
That's all you did.
I'm excited. I can't wait to play. We're going to vlog it as well. I have tons of work to do when I get home though, so like.
We'll probably show it in the next vlog.
Yeah, I'll get it done first, and then maybe I don't know.
But we're still on the mission to find the Nerf guns. We're not just ruling it out.
Yeah.
We just want to make sure if we're gonna spend a lot of money on those guns, we want to make sure we got
The best ones possible.
Something really good, yeah.
I say we go to Toys R Us. Like, we go to the big shots. They probably have so many Nerf guns.
They probably do.
Yeah.
So that's a mission. That's what we're gonna do. Oh, by the way, guys, big thumbs up for you all. You helped me get the amount of views I needed on my website.
Oh yeah.
So yeah,
Yay!
now I can go to CES's press. So big thumbs up for you guys. Thanks a lot.
So you guys are awesome.
You guys are the best. Like, my subs are the best. I appreciate all of you. And also, I didn't forget about teching out the living room. Don't worry about that. It's just, I gotta do some research on getting the best things for the living room. If I'm gonna be teching it out, I gotta get the best stuff.
And we might need a Kickstarter for that.
A Kickstarter, right?
Because, oh my gosh.
The things are expensive, guys.
Yeah.
So this is gonna be a project, but it's gonna take some time to accumulate everything and blah, blah, blah.
Yeah, tons of research needs to go into it. So it'll happen. Probably not within the next month, but it'll happen.
For sure. All right, guys. So now we're back home, and we're probably just going to play one of these board games that Ari picked up.
Yeah, so we decided upon Life and Battleship. And we are going to choose one of these 2 to play. I'm voting for Life.
I'm voting for Battleship.
We'll have to just flip a coin or something because I really want to play this.
We've played this already.
We played this before. Before we played this, you didn't really even like this.
I feel like I'd like it more than Life. Life seems like it'd just take forever. I don't know.
Another Monopoly in your head?
Oh, God.
Monopoly's the longest game.
Alright, well, guys, we're going to pick one of these 2. And we're probably going to call it a day.
Alright guys, so that is the vlog. Sorry you didn't get to see most of what we did this week. It was really eventful for him.
You guys are going to see the fruits of the labor from this week.
Yeah.
So.
But that's another reason why you should follow us on social media.
Yeah. I'm telling you guys, got the hint in there. Instagram.
So, Twitter.com/YourAvgCoupleGirlfriend, Instagram.com/YourAvgCoupleGirlfriend, and y'all know his information too.
UrAvgConsumer for everything.
Yeah, I'm trying to hit 1,800 followers. Come on, guys. Like, give it to me. Please. Please.
1,800.
That's all I need. I just want 1,800.
No, I'm just messing with you. I'm trying to get 10,000. I'm almost there.
Get him to 10,000 too.
Come on, guys. But anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this vlog. Next week will definitely be more eventful. This was a pretty regular day for us, so hopefully you enjoyed it. But till the next video, hope you enjoyed. Peace.